Continuation of our hike. We made it to the waterfall. As you can see.
Awesome.
Don't anybody help me or anything. It's not like I can't get out of here. Okay, maybe I can. Oh yeah, I'm going up. Wow!
No, you're going down!
Fuck!
What are you doing? Look at that, go!
How's it out there? Come on up! Oh. Holy fuck. I'm about as tired as I was going up that one hill. Well. Whoa!
Oh, yeah! Fun.
Oh.
There's a cave, eh? You can all fucking get up back here, man.
Smoke a joint.
Yeah.
Go! Doobie session behind the waterfall.
You get back there? Walking right.
Just have to get up here. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, motherfucker.
Fuck, I got no grip. And tighten. Here, take this. Don't push any buttons. Stick that motherfucker right there. Give me a hand.
Wow.
Oh, booyah! Bradley!
Oh, no!
Look at this shit. That's awesome. This is nice.
That hammer, if anybody.
Man, you guys gotta get up here! Get up here!
Exactly. In this little chamber.
Titan's up here! Titan, stay up here.
Just like before.
Here comes Titan. Let's videotape this.
You got beer in that motherfucker?
Yeah. You got pop?
Sweet.
Hey? You got pop?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Can you grab me a Pepsi? I think there's, or whatever. Any pop. No, that's not pop. Emily!
Oh no, I don't have any of mine in here. Mind if I sneak?
Grab me a pop. Yeah.
I'll
Grab me a pop.
one. Oh yeah, I got it. Don't worry.
Titan, look at this soldier.
Up in a second.
Titan's a soldier.
Victory beverage, baby. This is a good hike. I'm glad you guys got up here anyway. So, you know what I mean? Check out this crap.
What do you expect? It's me. Of course I'm going to get up here.
Oh, fuck. That's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, holy fucking
Are you bleeding?
little smart.
The scuffer.
Little fucking sharp.
Fuck, you got up here in the creek.
No! No light.
Yo, Brad, radio.
It's her, but when we get that back down, we can watch it easy. You know what?
That shit went
over. Hey, look at. Just go care fucking.
Man, you guys gotta come check this shit out. It's fucking cool, man. It's about time.
Over there.
Smokey and the Bandit.
Alright, the best part's getting down, bro.
Yeah.
Are they? Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get up here and tape it. Ah! Maybe not.
I hear there was supposed to be.
Fuck, man, I'm ready just to take my shoes off and run in my socks.
Yeah, all along the side.
Skid
all the way down, man.
No, all the way.
Huh?
No mud. All the way.
Look at that free land, yeah. Just give her.
I did it when fucking, I went up fucking, I was caught up that shit, man. And the Crescent Falls is a huge ass fucking, waterfall. I found out off the side of it.
Yeah.
It was fucking
the round falls, man. Me and Darren justified the fucking shit. Ooh, dirty.
Oh, come on!